The UltraViol company presents the virucidal and germicidal UVC lamps ASEPTOR Basic. Extremely effective, exceptionally quiet, and completely safe. The air disinfection by means of UVC radiation is carried out inside the lamp. ASEPTOR is equipped with silent, high-quality fan responsible for the gentle airflow. Before the air with bacteria and viruses is sucked into the disinfection chamber, it is initially filtered out of the dust. The highest level of the air disinfection is ensured by the perfect proportion of UVC intensity and the time of the air irradiation. Entire process is completely safe for people, animals and plants because the UVC light is closed in the disinfection chamber. The gentle airflow induced by ASEPTOR UVC lamp makes the air circulate in the whole room. That is why ASEPTOR is able to destroy all of the microorganisms. This method is effective and confirmed by scientific studies over the years. It guarantees up to 99.9% effectiveness in removing bacteria and viruses, including coronavirus. ASEPTOR UVC germicidal lamps have been tested at the Institute of Biotechnology in Łódź and have proven to be extremely effective. There are 3 models. ASEPTOR Basic 236, suitable for rooms of cubature up to 90 cubic meters. ASEPTOR Basic 255, suitable for rooms of cubature up to 150 cubic meters. ASEPTOR Basic 295, suitable for rooms of cubature up to 200 cubic meters. If the number of applied ASEPTOR UVC lamps is multiplied, the disinfected cubature will significantly grow. ASEPTOR UVC flow germicidal lamps are exceptionally quiet. The noise level of 20 decibels sounds like a hardly audible whisper. ASEPTOR is user-friendly. The device can be equipped with advanced working time counter, which reminds of bulbs replacement and warns of possible malfunctions. The filter replacement is simple and intuitive. No tools are needed. There are 3 ways of ASEPTOR UVC germicidal lamps installation. On a comfortable mobile tripod or trolley that can be easily moved, wall-mounted, ceiling-mounted. Germicidal flow UVC lamps ASEPTOR safely disinfect the air in healthcare facilities like hospitals, clinics, doctors' offices. Flow UVC germicidal lamps purify the air effectively also in offices, open spaces, hairdressing and beauty salons, tattoo studios, spa, schools, kindergartens and nurseries, restaurants and hotels. Wherever our employees and customers stay. Virucidal and germicidal UVC lamps ASEPTOR Basic can also be applied in the food, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. Today, make a decision to buy a virucidal and germicidal UVC lamp for your business. Get in touch with us on www.ultraviol.pl/en.